In this video, we are going to be looking at a budget line. You will recall in our previous video, we've explained the concept of marginal rate of substitution. And we rightly pointed out that budget line, marginal rate of substitution, and indifference curve were developed by ordinalists in order to ascertain the point at which a consumer gets highest satisfaction. And what is a budget line? Budget line is a line that joins points of different combinations of two commodities which a consumer can purchase in accordance to his income and prices of the commodities. So budget line is just looking at the different pairs of commodities which a consumer can afford based on the level of his income, what he can purchase. You cannot buy more than what you have. So what are the things you can buy? What are the things you can afford? That is the concept of budget line. It is also pertinent here to uh, mention that budget line is derived from budget table. If you look at this table here, under this combination, we have different combinations here. And when you look at commodity Y here, commodity Y, then the price of commodity Y is $1, and the price of commodity X is $2. Then this is the slope of budget line, because we are assuming that this consumer has $40, and the price of commodity X is 2, while price of commodity Y is 1. Then when you look at the slope of budget line, this formula for the slope of budget line is price of X over price of Y. Now, when you say price of X, that is $2 over price of 1, which is $1. We are going to be having 2 over 1. That is why we have slope of budget line to be 2:1, 2:1. Now, when you look at the first combination, the man has $40, as we have said. The income of the man is $40, and he wants to consume 40 units of commodity Y. It means he's going to pay $40, because 1 times 40 units is $40. So it means he will not be consuming any of the commodity X. Now, when he wishes to get more, to consume more of commodity X here, to get 5 of commodity X, it means that he needs to reduce the consumption of commodity Y by 10, so that you can pay $10 for that 5 units of commodity X, and the remaining $30 can go for commodity Y. Then the same thing in this combination C. When he wants more of commodity X, he wants 10 of commodity X, then he's going to pay $20, because 2 times 10 will give you $20. Then in this case now, he will be having $20 left, and that $20 will go for commodity Y, because commodity Y is $1. That is 1 times 20 will give you $20. Then the same thing happens in the combination D, where we have 15 units of commodity X. That is 2 times 15 is going to give you $30, and we will be having $10 left. That $10 can only buy 10 units of commodity Y. Then here, when he's consuming 20 units of commodity X, that is 20 times 2, that is $40, and he will not be consuming any uh, units of commodity Y. Now, if you look at this table now, this table has given us that based on the level of this consumer, which is $40, there are pairs of commodity, there are pairs of two commodities which he can purchase, and what is need to forego for one commodity to be increased, and the income will remain the same. The income will remain the same. Now, this table we have here, that is what we use to plot this graph. You can see now, when 40 of commodity Y is consumed, here 0 of X is consumed. You can see 0 of X is consumed. That is for A. You can see A here. A represents this point now. 40 and 0, 40 of Y, 40 of Y, and 0 of X. Now, when we have 30 of Y, then when we have 30 of Y, we have combination 2. That is for B. That is for B. That is for B. This is for B. This B is here, is for B. Now we have 5 of X. So when we have 20 of Y, 20 of Y, 20 of Y, then we have 10. We have 10 of X. We have 10 of X. That is point C, 10 of X. Then when we have 10 of Y, we have 15 of X. We have 15x. But when we have 0 of Y, we have 20 of X. We have 20 of X. So this line now shows us the different combination, the different pairs of commodities which a consumer can afford when his income is constant. When his income is constant. From this point now, we are going to be moving to uh, profits. We are going to be going to utility maximization. Utility maximization. That is when we are going to be pairing in difference of marginal rate of substitution and budget line together. That is a point where we are going to see where a consumer can get higher satisfaction based on the level of his income that is constant. So in the next video, we are going to show you all of this. Thank you.